You ready? For the first tour?
First tour, yay!
Let's go! You guys ready to tour? Yeah!
Yeah!
What's up? We're finally on the bus. We're here with Martin. What's up, Martin? You ready to go on the tour?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah! What's up, guys? We are here at the old city of Jaffa, and unfortunately our tour guide, they provided us some headphones, but the audio is not working, so we're gonna improvise, okay? So apparently we're in the area where, if you don't know the story about Jonah, Jonah was swallowed by a whale, and he was taken to like his destination through whale. He was in the whale for like 3 days. But yeah, that's the history of this place, I guess. One of the happenings here. Oh my gosh, we see Aladdin right now. Look, Aladdin's right there. I think we're going into a church. Little update, our headphones, our earphones work now, so we can actually hear him take,
We
like,
hear everything.
every breath he takes.
Yes. Poor man.
Jerusalem's finest model. Whoa! What's up, guys?
Hello.
We have 45 minutes of leisure time at the market, so we're gonna go ahead and try the pomegranate juice first. And apparently they're known for the pomegranate juice here, so we're gonna try it out, show you guys, I'll tell you guys how we feel about it. Okay? Oh wow, it's so good. So refreshing. So if you're here in Jaffa, you gotta try the pomegranate juice. And it's freshly juiced. Alright guys, we're gonna enjoy this. We're here at the lunch venue now. Yay! Try the lemonade here in Israel. Oh wow, it's really good.
How do you say it?
Arabic.
Arabic, okay. No creamer, no sugar. But it's hot though.
Looks like you enjoyed it.
Yeah, Miami. Try it, guys.
Try it?
Yeah.
There. I didn't even drink it yet. Oh man, that's good.
Who's gonna try next? It was delicious.
Guys, hello.
Thank you very much. Welcome.
She's so amazing. We're gonna continue our tour. We still have 3 hours left of touring, so we're gonna relax here in Jaffa and then head to Tel Aviv.
Uncle Jim.
Yes.
How you feeling?
Best day ever.
So we got 2 hours left on our tour, and
We're visiting old Tel Aviv
Aviv
right now. Oh, look, the shade. Whoa.
Oh shoot, it's the best part, the shade. Oh, right behind us is the railroad tracks that used to lead from Jerusalem all the way to Jaffa, but then during the World War they switched the use of this railroad track. They took over and they wanted to make it more for military use because there was a war. And then after that, the British took over, kicked out the Turkish, and then the British decided to rebuild the line all the way from Jerusalem back to Jaffa. But this railroad track behind us is no longer in use, and right now they start somewhere else. Yeah. What's that tower?
It was the highest building in the Middle East
Up till
1978.
Wow.
And I think the tour guide said it even had a mall in it.
Guess who we found?
Hey, how's it going? It's good to see you, neighbor.
He's gonna subscribe to the channel.
Yes, I am. I'm doing it right now.
I think our tour has come to an end, and we're heading back to the hotel. So,
So happy.
Yeah.
This was a very good first day of tour.
that street that you saw us walking on earlier, it was the first street of the first city or first neighborhood in Tel Aviv, and so it was really special to be able to walk through that. And now it's one of the largest cities in Israel. So well, that concludes our day. We are done and we are back to where we started this morning. And so we did a lot today. We started out where it was like a shoreline where we see the water, where the story of Jonah took place at. We went to Jaffa and explored the old town of Jaffa. Very cool looking place. You saw us walk along the railroad tracks that was used to go from Jerusalem all the way to Jaffa. We saw the largest building in the Middle East up until 1978, and then we walked on the street, the first street of the first neighborhood in Old Tel Aviv. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the subscribe button. We have a bunch of videos coming up specifically on our travel here in Israel. Okay, bye guys, see you tomorrow.
We rise like the sun and fall in the ocean. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win, 'cause we're only human. The ghost of our past is chasing trying to stop us. The sound of our souls connected is nothing but one love. We're never old, we die young, afraid of